Now, Thaddeus Ross, let me tell you something. You think you a bully around here? You think you big kid, don't you? You think you tough, don't you, Thaddeus Ross? I don't care nothing about your little whack movie. You and that little fake Captain America. That ain't Captain America. Captain America, Steve Rogers. And he was unfrozen in ice. That black dude walking around with wings. That ain't no Captain America. Y'all need to stop capping. Come on, Lil Wayne. Now, Lil Wayne, you wearing my new Yeezy's the Ghost shirt. We had to change our ring guitar. That's right. You see that? Yeah, it's go. That's right. Ain't this Thaddeus Ross? Frank Castle, what you doing out here? What you doing with Thaddeus Ross? Thaddeus Ross a criminal. You gotta be aiming your weapon at him. That's right. Come back here on all you busters. Me and Lil Wayne, we came back here to take over. Now I'm the richest rapper, the wrestler around here. Ghost Dini, I know you gonna judge this match fair. You son of a bitch, you. Thaddeus Ross. Asshole. Yeah. Get off me. I'm gonna take these handcuffs and put them on you, Thaddeus Ross. You a criminal. What? Lil Wayne? I can't believe you just let that nigga beat you like that, Lil Wayne. That's an embarrassment. Lil Wayne, you ain't supposed to be losing that easy. Goddamn you, Lil Wayne. You let me down tonight, Tunchii. That ain't how it goes supposed to be. I'll take your shirt from you. Alright, Lil Wayne. Now I've been trying to carry this team. Look at that. You cost us some money, Lil Wayne. You cost us some money. What? Kodak, I need you to come to Hollywood and be my partner. Lil Wayne just let me down. He made me lose some money. That's why you didn't get picked for the Super Bowl, Lil Wayne. What? Big and Smalls, you going to Rock Nation? Stanley, you going to New Mexican League? Seth Rollins, you ain't inspired me to do nothing. Now DJ Paul, why you got a rivalry with Blade? I see you wearing my Yeezy shirt. That's right, Frank Castle. You know Jax Taylor's part of a criminal organization motorcycle gang. You ought to run up on him and unalive him. They've been out here killing people, terrorizing the neighborhood. Yeah, that's right, Jax Taylor. You gotta get on live. Now, how the hell you injure your goddamn head? That don't make no sense. Man, look at that. That Okake? You let Suge Knight take you over. You gotta be ashamed of yourself. Alright, Ghost Dini. I don't know why you trying to fight me and Lil Wayne. You must see Lil Wayne get his ass whipped. See, Lil Wayne, you made us vulnerable. These niggas coming after us because they saw you lose. They think we weak. I'm gonna have to whoop niggas' ass out here just to change their perception. Yeah, that's right, Lil Wayne. You know the deal. You need to stay outside. I love you. But you gonna get your ass whooped if you get in the ring. So you let me do all the work. Get that goddamn chair out here. That's right. My fresh ring gear on. Yeah, that's right. That's my ex-sister-in-law. Don't be hating on the referee. She gonna do her job. If I trust her, you shouldn't say shit. Shut the hell up. You ain't gonna do nothing to her. You ain't gonna do nothing to her, nigga. You ain't gonna do nothing to her. Come on here. Oh, look, here goes Danny. I don't like you criticizing the referee like that. You son of a bitch, you. Disqualified, referee. That's right, nigga. Now, Ghost Danny, you a legendary Wu-Tang member?
Right.
But you ain't nothing to me, cause I'm the GOAT. You understand me? Yeah, that's right. Get off me. Yeah, that's right. Ghost Danny, you gonna get your ass whipped tonight. You gonna need all the Wu-Tang swordsmen for your goddamn ass tonight. You gonna need RZA, Jizza, and everybody else, nigga. You gonna need all 9 of them niggas. You gonna need ODB, Master Killer, and all them niggas. And the Killer Bees.
One.
That's right. Get out of me, nigga. It's over with. And Lil Wayne. This how you win, Lil Wayne. This how you win, Lil Wayne. Not getting your ass whipped like you did. Get your hands off the goddamn referee, you asshole. You know what I'm saying? That's right. Get that nigga up out of here, Chloe. Alright, come on, get this nigga up out of here. That's right. Told y'all, nigga. Yeah, Beyonce. You better get out of here. That's right. Raise my hand. Why? Because I just whooped that nigga's ass. Y'all hindering my progress. Now, Chloe, I appreciate that. And you not hold no hard feelings against me. You did your job, and you were real professional about it. Matter of fact, you helped me win. Of course I didn't need it, because I was going to whoop that nigga ass anyway. What? Drunky and Quavo? Y'all beat them 2 niggas? Jack Swagger, are you going down there to help Tom Holm and control the border? You're a real patriot. Your friend Michael Myers is sad that you left. And I don't know why y'all friends. What? Final boss, you lost to Dirty Dom. You weak ass nigga. Yeah, that's right. Beehive said improve y'all skill. Nigga, you ain't no wrestler. Goddamn, nigga. Who injured there? I bet it was one of them niggas from Manga. Like Madara or Yujiro or somebody. How the hell y'all niggas hurt there? Yeah, y'all. Yeah, Suge Knight, you got caught slipping. What? Alright, Ryan Reynolds. I'm gonna whip your ass. That's right, babe. I'm gonna whip that nigga ass. Now, you been in a lot of controversy, you and your wife. So guess what? The court of public opinion. So I need to whip your ass. Y'all been filing fake discrimination suits, harassment suits against people, trying to use your influence. Not on my watch, Ryan Reynolds. You and your fake ass Deadpool. I'm gonna whip your ass up in this damn theater. Bring your ass on out here, Ryan Reynolds. They gonna recast you. They don't need you to play Deadpool. You got a goddamn mask on. There'll be anybody in there. Yeah, bitch ass nigga. You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? Huh? How dare you curve stop? You son of a bitch. You gonna pay for that. You gonna pay for that shit. Look at that man. You gonna curve stop me. You gonna curve stop me, nigga. How dare you? Bitch. Yeah, I curve stop your ass back. Bitch ass boy. You guilty of false harassment, Ryan Reynolds, and to be an asshole. You a goddamn asshole. Son of a bitch. Can't whoop your ass tonight. Can't whoop your goddamn ass, Ryan Reynolds. Get this nigga up out of here. That's right. You, Blake Live. Media says y'all some assholes. Well, guess what? You can get your ass whooped. Yeah, that's right. How many more weeks I got over here? Brian Lawler. You better not be talking no shit. What the hell? God, Emperor Doom, and Michael Myers. Y'all niggas ain't scared. I'm scared for you. Boosie. You ignorant black southern ass nigga. Why y'all keeping that nigga around? He ain't doing nothing to get y'all shot up. He ain't nothing but trouble. My ex-wife renewed her contract. I don't want to know nothing about her. You just make sure our kids being looked after when I'm not around. I don't want no trouble out of you. Robert Downey Jr., you ain't influencing nobody. You might listen to you. Goddamn, Steph, injury prone like a motherfucker. Injury prone ass nigga. Death, you about to die. Yeah, that's right. Let's go. Let's go. Who you got, Daredevil? Bring your blind ass on out here, nigga. Yeah, that's right. I got the legendary family from Memphis. Jared King Lawler. That's right. Now look here, Jared Lawler. Under no circumstances can we let Lil Wayne get in the ring. You too little, he gonna get his ass whooped. Now this is Joe, James Gunn, Dave Chappelle, and Matt Murdock. Y'all suck. Matt Murdock, put your goddamn wrestling outfit on. Yeah, that's right, nigga. Don't take this shit off. Yeah, that's right, Jay Long. Look at that. That's right. Hey, Chappelle, get your ass back in here. You looking for a cigarette? Bitch ass nigga. I'm gonna whip your goddamn ass, Dave Chappelle. I had a problem with you in the street. Yeah, you dropped a cigarette, nigga. That's right, Jerry Long. Whip in the game. I'm gonna whip your goddamn ass. That's right, Lil Wayne. No, bitch. No, bitch, come here. Who you trying to beat me? Bitch ass nigga. Yeah, nigga, I whooped you when you change your goddamn pants. Bitch ass nigga. That shit happened to me before. You see how I feel, nigga. That's right, nigga. I'm putting you on that goddamn glass. Bitch ass nigga. Get your bitch ass up. Get your black. Goddamn, Lil Wayne, I was gonna drop that nigga on that shit. You always fucking up, Lil Wayne. That's right. You better whoop that nigga ass over there, Lil Wayne. Don't you get whooped again. Yeah, Matt Murdock. That's right, Jerry Long. Whoop James Gunn's ass over there. Whoop his ass. Daredevil. Death. still out here hurting? Get this nigga out here.
1, 2.
You son of a bitch, you blind bastard. You vision impaired ass nigga. Get off me. J-Lo. That's right. Put that goddamn cigarette down. That's right. Get your ass up. Get your ass up, man. Yeah, bitch. Bitch. That's right. That's right. That's right, O'Brien. Get your ass, nigga. It's gone on long enough. You weak ass niggas. Give you one of these. Get your ass, nigga. That's right. Get this nigga out here. Get your ass, nigga. I know you cheat. I know you cheat. Bitch ass nigga. This nigga using CGI in the middle of a live match. Get this nigga out here. Bitch. Hell no. You goddamn man. Come here. You just mad cause you lost your goddamn booking job to Beyonce. Ain't nothing my goddamn fault. Goddamn beehive niggas got your ass up over here. That bitch got me out with me. Bitch ass nigga. That's right, J-Lo. Get this nigga up off me.
1, 2, 3.
God damn it. Yeah. That nigga eliminates your dad. Damn it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Bitch. Yeah, how the bitch? Hell no. Beth, you better get your injured ass out the way. Hell no, bitch. That's right, Brian Lawler. Whoop the nigga ass. Yeah, bitch. Get your motherfucking ass out the way. Bitch. Yeah, ho. Yeah, ho. Yeah, bitch. Is that fun? Yeah, this shit ain't too fun, is it? What's your bitch ass at? What's your... Bitch. What I tell you? Bitch. Yeah, ho. Yeah, nigga. Everybody get in the book. Everybody get it. Then watch out. Nigga. That's right, get the nigga out. Damn it. Yeah, you better get your ass out the way. Damn, why y'all do that to that man? Yep, get your goddamn ass out the way. Bitch. Well, I tell you, blind ass bitch. Now, James Gunn, that nigga locked into a contract. He not finna come work for you. Bitch, get up. right. Yeah. Get your bitch ass up. Get your ass nigga. That's right. Get out of here, boy. Come out here. Hell no. This nigga 3 lane ring. Get your bitch. That's right. What I tell you? What I tell you? Get this nigga out of here. Yeah, bitch. You next. Yeah, you next. Weak ass nigga. Weak ass nigga. And the goddamn movie gon' suck too, bitch ass boy. Bitch ass nigga. You a bloody mess, nigga. I whooped your ass. Quit whipping on little line. Whipping on that line like that. Pick on somebody your own side, bitch ass boy. Lying ass nigga. Radar having ass nigga. Rare reading ass nigga. That's right, little Ryan. Get out of here. Goddamn hands off me. Yeah, you suffer, nigga. Bringing them white ass niggas out here. Got your ass whooped. That's what happened. That's right. Yeah, y'all still hindering me. Get your ass niggas. Y'all not fucking with the GOAT. In no way, shape, or form. What you want? Yeah, I know you want to digitize it and put it in your movie as a CGI. I better not find you put me in your movie like that. I'ma sue you, James Gunn. You can't copy the GOAT like that. That's my intellectual property. That's right, Kukuzu. You spread that Akoski over there at Death Row and let them niggas know we still around here. What y'all get that old nigga for? Old weak nigga. Well. That's right. Tuco Salamanca and the assassin. Y'all beat the Bridge Bulldogs? Well, goddamn. Tuco Salamanca, you called in some of your drug cartel niggas to help. That's what you did. Gucci man, you lost to Kiryu. You lost to that Yakuza ass nigga. Gucci, are you upset because your wife took a picture sitting on a nigga lap and you got distracted? That nigga must have been in the audience with your wife on his lap. Goddamn, Def. You the most injury prone nigga out here. Improve the attitude. You improve your attitude, Ryan Reynolds. You son of a bitch, you. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right, Lil Wayne. You ready to go? Don't try to disparage me, Suge. I need that advance, Suge. I need you to dip into the safe and get that money up, Suge. Don't you disparage me. You know your goddamn ratings in the toilet. Y'all need help. That's right. Yeah, let's go, Lil Wayne. Yeah, that's right. Bitch ass nigga. You not finna change my goddamn name, Suge Knight. I don't wanna be called no Vic Heyman, Suge Knight. Don't you change my name. No, I don't wanna be called no Vic Heyman. You a goddamn bully, Suge Knight. You changed my goddamn name. I ain't going for it, nigga. What you want? Yeah, alright. Alright, bitch. Don't you call me out the goddamn child. I'll whip your goddamn ass. Bitch, call me out the Second Hokage. Now look here. I learned your goddamn resurrection jutsu to resurrect a third Hokage. Now I haven't been using it. Now look, you ain't want nobody using it, you shouldn't have invented it, nigga. You walking around here with OVO. Are you trying to resurrect Drake's career? Drake, you hired the creator of the resurrection jutsu to help resurrect your career. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's your money, Lil Wayne. I need to pay you to stay out the ring, so we won't lose. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, y'all see that Yeezy gold shirt? Y'all see that shit? And I'm back over in death row. Let me tell you something, Drake. You don't need more than the second Hokage and the resurrection jutsu to resurrect your career, nigga. Kendrick put a whooping on your ass. And you should have called me and got some beat. It's not too late. So after we get through with this match, you need to get some money together, Drake. I'll help you out, but you gotta pay me. That's right, nigga. Bitch. You not tough, nigga. Get off me. Nigga, change my goddamn name. Alright, Drake. Your goddamn ass now. Put him down. How dare you do that to Lil Wayne? You don't disrespect your goddamn Lil Wayne signed you the young money. You don't disrespect him like that. You think you big shit. You think you big shit. You need to be humble, Drake. That's why Kendrick whoop your ass. You got a big head. You act like niggas forgot that you got caught not writing your goddamn rap. You got the Ghost Riders, Drake. Niggas don't forget that shit. You make good music, but niggas make music Ghost Riders. That's right, bitch. Get that nigga out here. Get that nigga out here. Get your ass out here. That's right, Drake. Don't get up. Stay down. Oh, you bitch ass nigga. Bitch. Yeah, you cheated on the wrong nigga, boy. Oh, yeah, I remember you. Hating ass bitch. I'm gonna whoop your ass. Better not catch you in the street. You know I don't like no cheating ass referee. I don't like no cheating ass referee. I don't like that shit. Bitch ass nigga. Yeah, that's right. That's why I was brought over here. Take us back to number one. I'm doing my job. Earning my money. What you want, nigga? I am more important than you, nigga. I just got your goddamn ratings on top. You just hired me over here. And you paid me $1 million. Bitch ass boy. Craig, you going to work for Silver Surfer at Marvel Federation? I don't think I'll go over there. Kevin Feige just lost his job over there. And he got a lot of little robot ass niggas following him. He might try to hurt niggas over there. Scarlet Witch, you ain't inspiring none. Yeah, that's right. Master Rush, you little swole ass nigga. Master Rush, why you gotta heat up our rivalry with Elon Musk? Elon Musk is wearing a prototype of his new Iron Man leader suit. He said Iron Man ain't smart or rich as him. He'd make a better Iron Man suit. Goddamn MJG. Yeah, you can't feud with the GOAT. I don't care what they change my name to. Bitch ass nigga. That's right. Alright, Haley Home. Ain't that a bitch? Third Hokage. That's right. I would like to join you, Third Hokage. You don't have to disparage me like that. Y'all see what I do for ratings. I'm a ratings miracle. I'm instant rate. So you better pay me that money. That's right, Third Hokage. Let's go, Lil Wayne. That's right. I don't like this, Third Hokage. I don't want to wear no Gucci. This look like Project Pat, outfit. You got me with a hypnotized mind chains on? I don't think so. You don't know nothing about no goddamn fashion. What the hell you mean earn as much as you? Nigga, how much you? You don't make no more money than me. You a goddamn lie. You a bitch ass lie. You don't make no more money than me. Alright, Walk Jr. Now it look like we're gonna have to fight Yujiro Hammer. That's Baka Hammer Dad. That nigga's supposed to be the strongest human on earth. I hope you ready, Walter Jr. That nigga gonna try to whoop our ass.